Are you tired of the hassle and complexity of installing backup camera systems in your vehicle? Look no further than the GOQOTOMO E-600 wireless color audio-video kit. This all-in-one transmitter and receiver kit is designed to make installing a backup camera system a breeze. With its wireless RCA video transmission technology, you can say goodbye to messy wiring and complicated installations. Simply connect the transmitter to your backup camera and the receiver to your monitor, and you're good to go. Plus, with a transmission distance of up to 50 feet indoors and an impressive 300 meters line of sight, you can trust that your video signal will be strong and reliable. The E-600 kit is compatible with a wide range of devices, including in-car monitors, head units, and backup cameras, making it perfect for use in trucks, RVs, and personal hobby projects. And with support for both PAL and NTSC composite video signals, you can rest assured that it will work seamlessly with your existing equipment. But perhaps the best part of the GOQOTOMO E-600 kit is its ease of installation. The transmitter can even power the camera itself, eliminating the need for additional wiring and power sources. And with its compact and lightweight design, you can easily mount it anywhere in your vehicle without taking up precious space. So why wait? Upgrade your vehicle with the ultimate backup camera solution today with the GOQOTOMO E-600 wireless color audio-video kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.